Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin, welcome on my channel. It's gonna be an express tutorial. I wanna show you how to knit color work on small tubes in the small round. Like for example in this wrist warmers or even a hat. For me it was a challenge to knit a color work. Even on a hat it was too tight, it wasn't stretchable, it was awful. But then I'm like, stop, I can put it inside out, and that's how I will make the path of the additional colors longer, so they will not be tight, they will not be too short. So here I have the beginning of some knitting, yeah, and how we usually go. We have our working thread on the further needle from us, and we work and we work clockwise. Yes, we work like this. So to start knitting inside out, put your knitting literally inside out from the bottom, like this. Here is the beginning string, and then flip it. So our main working thread is next to us now, and we are going to work counterclockwise like this. So this thread goes here. I'm pulling out this needle and I'm going to knit. So the face of the right side of our knitting will be inside. We kind of can see it still. Yes, so we knit, and then we take our contrast color, yeah, from the left side, because it will be a dominant color, and then we just knit our contrast color. Then we take our main color again, yeah. Then you pull your needle, yeah, here is your two yarns, and you twist it like this, turn it. So these two threads go here. I'm pulling out this needle and I knit. And you're going like this over and over your color work. Then when you finished your color work, it's better to make like this with both needles on loops, on stitches. And twist it again from bottom inside. And here is the usual, how we usually knit, yeah. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching me. Have a great day. Bye.